November.
On Bravo and we hold on November. So much for this. November.
Sure, 116 heavy, continue and hold short of kilo.
Continue straight ahead, hold short of kilo, speed with 116 heavy.
Delta 184 heavy, Hotel Bravo, short Alpha taxi.
Delta 184 heavy, Kennedy Tower, correction Kennedy ground, runway 4 left, hold short of Alpha for a moment.
Hold short Alpha, Delta 184 heavy.
Delta 671, I'm sorry, what was the gate number?
Bravo, Oscar 47, ready to push gate 8 with X-ray.
22, roger, thanks.
JetBlue 383, continue and hold short. I just continue hold short hotel for now.
Hold short hotel, JetBlue 383.
5507, Kennedy Tower, 1020 at 9 on runway 4, right deadline.
There 5103,
Yes,
continue
898,
taxi hold short of Juliet.
Going down, Jazz 898.
Delta 4 heavy, next arrival, 2.5 out, no delay,
Figure
cross 4 left.
116 heavy, right turn at kilo, cross 31 left to monitor tower on 123.9er.
Right turn kilo, cross 31 left.
Delta 4 heavy, no delay, please. Traffic is now 2 mile final.
Roger, seen up.
Delta 1298, left turn here at Fox.
Red Alaska 47, ready to push.
Foxtrot for Yankee, we're doing Foxtrot entry today, told me.
Alaska 47,
1298,
push
left
on
turn
Alpha,
Yankee and Golf, hold
approved.
short of runway 4 left.
Push tail southeast.
Tail southeast on Alpha, approved, Alaska 47.
Delta 4 heavy, all traffic waits for you. Monitor ground point.
Airmark 201 November, heavy. You're at November, taxi left on Bravo, short of kilo.
Bravo, kilo.
Air 5103, follow British Airways ahead, cross your left to kilo, monitor tower 123.9er.
Alright, follow British Airways, cross 21 left to kilo, monitor tower 213.
Delta 1414, when able, continue Alpha, short of kilo echo.
Okay, continue Alpha, hold short kilo, echo, not the 1414.
American 292 heavy, short of kilo echo now.
Hold short of kilo, echo.
Tower, break
American
your
702, 4 right.
Delta 350, left turn at Foxtrot, what's the gate number?
Foxtrot, and it's going to be a Delta Alpha or Delta entry for us.
Delta 350, once you make the right, left on Fox, right Yankee and Yankee Alpha, hold short runway 4 left.
Okay, Fox, Yankee Alpha, hold short, 4 left, JetBlue 350.
Brickyard 5702, Kennedy Tower, wind 02011, 4 miles from Chauvin Regional Jet, runway 4 exit line.
Point 4, clear to land, Brickyard 5702.
Brickyard 5702, just confirm 4 right, clear to land.
Sorry about that, clear land 4 right, Brickyard.
Open and open.
Continue to the ramp, Arizona 267.
This is the ramp, Arizona 267, thank you.
Delta 1414, when you get to kilo echo, the American heavy jet will be waiting for you, left kilo echo and tower 239.
Okay, left kilo echo, tower 239, Delta 1414.